Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Japanese hamburger steak with melted cheese on top. Hamburger steak, or hambagu in Japanese, is a popular everyday dish eaten at everywhere in Japan, from home, schools, and restaurants. Instead of being served between buns like an American hamburger, rice or bread rolls are served on the side with some vegetables. These are the ingredients. We are using half ground beef and ground pork, but you can use all beef or pork if you would like. For cheese, any mild flavored melting cheese will do here. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. First, put panko in a large bowl, add milk and stir. Add the ground meat. Season with salt and pepper. Add an egg and mix very well. Now divide the meat into 4 pieces and pick up a quarter portion and roll into an oval-shaped ball. Push down a little bit to form a steak. And repeat. Cut the melting cheese into thin squares. We are going to put this on top of the hamburger steak. Mix the sauce ingredients. In a small bowl, mix ketchup and Worcester sauce and set aside. Heat the oil in a frying pan at medium heat and place the patties in the hot oil. Fry for 4 to 5 minutes on one side and flip over. Cover and cook for 3 to 4 more minutes until cooked through. Uncover the pan. Remove excess oil with a paper towel. Add sake. We are using a typical cooking sake. Then add the sauce mixture. Stir and coat the steaks with the sauce well. Top with cheese. Cover and turn off the heat. And let the cheese melt for a couple of minutes. Serve immediately with vegetables on the side. Melting cheese and sweet and tangy sauce go very well with the juicy hamburger steak. Everyone likes this combination of flavor. It's so easy to make with simple ingredients. We hope you try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。